Our animals can't get COVID, right? This is an update on COVID-19 and our dogs and cats. Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Click there to subscribe, hit the bell to sign up for notifications, and then when you click the link directly in the box below, I can send you a copy of my free book. I was recently talking to a former client, and we were talking about COVID. Seems to kind of be the thing, you know, this worldwide pandemic completely altering our lives. But he said, at least we don't need to worry about our pets. Our dogs, they can't get COVID, right? It's a human disease. Our cats, they can't get COVID, right? There's been reports of a number of cats testing positive. Not only can they get COVID, they can then pass it on to other cats. The clinical signs you'd expect to see in a cat are something like the cat flu. You know, the sneezing, the coughing, runny eyes, discharge, maybe some gastrointestinal symptoms. Fortunately, all the cats that have tested positive, have had the disease, have all recovered, and they're not getting near as sick as some of we are people. Murray, Steve, no. But if your cat were to get COVID, he or she cannot pass it on to other people. He may have the ability to infect another cat, and that's it. He's not, a source of the infection, not at all a risk to you, other people. First, it's extremely unlikely your dog is ever going to get COVID. And secondarily, if he or she were to get it, she's not going to infect anyone else. And she's not going to infect another dog. Right, little Tula? Oh. If I were to have COVID, it's possible I could pass it on to Tula. But it's less likely you're going to transmit it to your dog. There's a far less number of dogs have reportedly tested positive. But the similar clinical signs, right? It should be flu-like, respiratory signs, maybe just a bit of aches and pains, maybe some GI symptoms. The CDC is suggesting that if you're infected, you're supposed to stay away from your dog. I guess it kind of makes sense. They're suggesting to stay away from your cat, but Murray would not be staying away from us. I don't know how good I'd be at following those guidelines. I guess they kind of make sense. The last thing you want to do is make your dog, your cat sick with something you could have avoided doing in the first place. I hope you are doing okay dealing with what seems to be this crazy never-ending pandemic. I hope that you are well, that your family of people, dogs and cats, they're all doing well too. Thanks for listening. Thanks for being part of the channel. And I will be talking to you again soon. It's Dr. Jones. Click up there to subscribe, hit the bell to sign up for notifications, and then when you click the link directly in the box below, I can send you a copy of my free book.